Have you come across Foldwin, Haudux, or Ionyx lately? These names are getting attention online. And if you're thinking about buying from them, you probably have one big question. Are they actually legit? Or are they just another online scam? So I decided to take a closer look. Let's start with Foldwin. Foldwin appears to offer products at prices that can look pretty tempting. That sounds great at first. But cheap prices alone don't prove that a store is trustworthy. You need to look at the website, check the contact information, read the return policy, and most importantly, look for real customer feedback. Then there's Haudux. Haudux has a similar problem. There may be plenty of products that look appealing, but finding reliable, independent reviews can be difficult. That's a warning sign for me. It doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, but I would definitely be careful before spending money. And finally, Ionyx. Again, the biggest thing I'd check is transparency. Who runs the company? Where is it based? How easy is it to contact them? And what happens if your order never arrives? These questions matter. One thing I always recommend is avoiding impulse purchases, especially when a website is offering huge discounts or creating a strong sense of urgency. Take your time. Search for reviews outside the company's own website. Check payment options. And never send more money than you can afford to lose. So, are Foldwin, Haudux, and Ionyx legit? My honest take is this. I wouldn't call them scams without solid evidence, but I also wouldn't blindly trust them. There are enough questions to justify doing more research first. If you're considering buying, proceed carefully. Check everything before you pay.